Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a custom colored sew-in on my new client today. As you can see, her hair is previously colored and it has faded out into this like brassy brown, orange in some places. And to make sure that her leave out matches the custom colored extensions, we're going to go ahead and start on her gloss. Now, a toner is important because it's going to just shift the tone of her hair, literally the color, the tone of her hair. It's not going to make her hair any lighter. It's just going to deposit some color so that it's just going to allow just some dimension in the color. Once I do the sew-in, it's just going to blend in with the extensions and it's just going to match the tone just a little nicer. Now here is her hair blown out and trimmed, and you can see that color, it just shifted it just to a more red orange tone because we're going to be doing a custom copper colored extensions. So this is just going to add that extra dimension and blend her hair in with the extensions. And look at this blowout, shout out to the blowout. Now the star of the show is my Flex Paste. This is what I consider my braiding gel. It has that hold that's gonna make braiding easier, but then what I love about it is that it penetrates into the hair so that it won't stay on top and create buildup, especially when you're doing a sew-in. You don't want heavy products that's gonna prevent moisture from getting in when it comes time for wash day. So I make sure to apply that product at the root mainly, and then put the excess on the ends and then just comb it right through. And then it just makes braiding so much easier, especially at the root. Here's the foundation under the sew-in, and I don't like to do a net because I want to make sure that you guys have like access to your scalp so that when it comes time for wash day, you don't have to just wrestle between fabrics and threads and all that. Now, as I'm sewing away, I just want to mention you can totally grow your hair with a sew-in because you can do what braids and twists won't allow you to do, which is to wash your hair. A sew-in, you can still wash your hair and maintain your hair regimen weekly, and then you can style it, whether blow it out, flat iron it, style it. But the point is that a sew-in will help you keep up with your hair regimen, meaning washing it, which is like the most important thing. Because the problem is people will have braids and not wash their hair and leave it in for a month to 3 months, not washing their hair, and then their hair is dry and breaking off by the time they take down their style. So you don't see that when it comes to a sew-in because you are still able to wash it and moisturize your hair. And here are the final results. You can see how when we did the gloss first, it just gives it so much dimension instead of just being one straight color. I thought that was fun, and just the copper orange, like it's so gorgeous, but it's not too much, you know. It looks good, especially with the dark roots at the top. It just looks like, I don't know, something so sexy about it, right? All right, guys, catch you on the next. Bye.